Hello guys, welcome back to the channel of another video of channel MotoShastra. So in this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 reasons why you should go for the Dominar 250. Starting with the point number 1, design and road presence. The looks and design are some of the most important thing while you are choosing a motorcycle, and Dominar is one of the best you can buy in 250cc segment. When it comes to design, it looks bold and dynamic with a big headlamp on the front. When compared to all other 250cc motorcycles, this bike looks much more practical and simple, which makes it a complete package with twin barrel exhaust. On number 2 comes the decent power and riding comfort. Dominar 250 comes with a 248cc single cylinder engine which produces 27 horsepower and 23 Nm of torque, which is mated with 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch. This helps a lot on highways when you are planning for a long distance ride. Another addition is the liquid cooling and the dual overhead camshaft, which reduces some amount of vibrations even when you are on high RPMs. This engine provides a smooth power on high speeds. Riding comfort is another key feature of Dominar 250, as it provides a good comfort and natural ergonomic riding posture. This makes a lot of difference in long distance riding. On number 3 comes the best in class features. Bajaj has added same elements from the Dominar 400 and made it more dominant. When we compare it on spec sheet, you can notice that there is a upside down forks which is slightly smaller than the elder brother but serves its purpose very well. Another addition is the full LED headlamp and the twin instrument console, from which one is located on the fuel tank and while other is placed on the same conventional position. On number 4, made for touring. The 250cc segment of motorcycle is considered as one of the best motorcycle which can be used for touring because of its better fuel economy and easy to ride power delivery, which can be managed by most of riders who are even new to riding. Dominar 250 comes with a moderate power output which is not aggressive as the KTM Duke 250 but not as low as the Yamaha SV25. Another good thing is the dual channel ABS, which adds an extra layer of security, and the total weight, which is almost same as the Dominar 400, but it adds a little bit more stability while you are riding on highways. Number 5 comes the price. The price is always the sweet spot of Bajaj motorcycles, which played a big role in picking up this bike. Bajaj lowered the price of Dominar 250 by almost 15k, which made it a great choice for a person who is planning to buy a motorcycle that can take you to your office and even Sunday weekend rides. Thank you for watching this video guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to channel MotoShastra. Also go to passion, enjoy your day.